Hey guys, and Vivo just made the world's first buttonless and portless smartphone official, and that's the Vivo Apex 2019. Okay, so the launch event was in China, and Vivo first talked about the history of Vivo smartphones and their in-display fingerprint sensor, and at last they finally started talking about the Vivo Apex 2019. So this is the future of smartphones. There is no data interface ports, there is no physical buttons, and also there is no earpiece opening. Now the question is how this is even possible. So first off, this is 2019 and we are talking about Vivo. Yes, this is the same brand who made the world's first in-display smartphone official with pop-up camera, and that was the Vivo Nex 2018. Presenting you the next generation Vivo Apex. Okay, so starting with the design, we have a full screen panel, and the exciting part is half of the screen is having an in-display fingerprint sensor. So that's nice. And there's no front facing camera. Now if there is no physical buttons, then how you are going to turn on the smartphone? Well, there is a sensor hidden on the right side of the panel, and it works as a power key as well as volume rocker, which is nice. Here's the thing, you need to find it in order to turn it on, and that's something not so great. And there is no USB port for data interface and charging. However, the back of the Vivo Apex 2019 has a magnetic interface which can be used for data transfer and charging. It comes with dual rear cameras and an LED flash, and there is no bumps. If you ask me, it looks like a clean phone. It's gonna be slippery, I think, but it looks futuristic and awesome. And specifications are also great. It is 2019-ish. You get the latest Snapdragon 855 chipset with 5G support. There's 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, which is something nice. And there's also liquid cooling, which is impressive for glass phones. So this is all about the Vivo Apex 2019. It will be available in white and black color options, and this is our hands-on video for the same. The global launch is happening at MWC 2019. So let me know if this is the future of smartphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.